Hi everyone. In this video I'll teach you how to create a creative and modern poster design in Adobe Illustrator. First, create a new document of these dimensions. Go to the Type tool and type the text. Change its case to upper. And change its font. I am using Agency FB Bold for this poster design. Apply the same color outline to make it bolder a bit. Hold the Alt button for a copy of it, and edit the text. Select both, right-click on it, and choose Create Outline. Select and bring them closer. And go to the Object menu and expand. Right-click on it to ungroup. Select and unite them one by one using the Pathfinder panel. Go to the Direct Selection tool, select the points, and drag toward the left. Select the D letter and change its color to white. Right-click on it, arrange and bring it to front. Follow my other settings. Join them. Hold the Alt button to make a copy of it and place it beside the artboard. Select all, go to the Pathfinder panel, and click on the divide. Double-click on the text to go inside of the isolated mode. Go to the Magic Wand tool, select the black parts. Edit and cut. Select the remaining and delete. Edit and paste it in front. Unite them using Pathfinder panel. Follow my other text settings. I have these social media icons, place them here. Go to the line tool, and draw a line here. And make a copy of it and place it here. Now it is time to add a picture to it. Go to the File menu, Place, select the image, and place. Send it back. Select the text, go to the Object menu, Compound Path, and Make. Add the image to the selection. Go to the Object menu, Clipping Mask, and Make. Use the Direct Selection tool to adjust it. I am using a pencil tool for the selection of lips. Follow me here. Apply any color to it. I am applying red. Add Gaussian blur to it. And change the blend mode to multiply, and decrease the opacity a bit. Create a square and place it here. Create a small circle, hold the Alt button for copy and press Ctrl+D for duplicate. And follow me. And that's it. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.